Hello, it's Aidan with Coastal. Today we're talking about the Centor E3 folding door system, which kind of brings indoor living outside. So it's suitable for a range of applications, from your kind of stylish private residences to the storefront, a restaurant, or even a commercial project. So with the E3 system, it's a very capable system. Obviously, as I've stated before, you can use it on residential or commercial projects. But also, if a client wants, let's say you're doing a window project that requires a bifolding system, this system has been used for that as well across several major projects. And in terms of the specification, so it obviously accommodates top hung side panels up to 1.2 meters wide by 3.6 meters high, and the leaf, in terms of the weight it can take per leaf, you're looking at about 115 kg. Which obviously allows for extra weight of double and triple glass and even laminated glass. So in terms of the configuration you're looking at, you can go up to an 8+8, which obviously is very, very capable. Obviously that's quite a large bifold, but that has been done. So in terms also the security, it's been tested and for PAS 24, so obviously tested and passed. And then the E3 also comes with a 10-year warranty, so you've got that peace of mind that you can pass on to the customer. Also, as you can see here, the quick surface mounted fittings, that allows for easy assembly when you obviously putting a bifold together. So in terms of the assembly, you've got your quick fix surface mounted fittings, which allows for easy assembly. And then you obviously got your offset hinge system. So this obviously allows for equal size panels, regardless of the configuration, which obviously makes manufacturing very, very simple and easy. And then obviously you've got your offset floor guides and floor pivots, which obviously allow the guide channel to be concealed beneath the closed doors, which obviously offers a neat appearance and obviously prevents debris kind of building up in the channel. And obviously seals are also available with this system. So in terms of the adjustment, so you've got the patented SureLock 5, which obviously allows for self-locking vertical adjustment with a 8mm Allen key, which is obviously supplied with the kit. And all you need to do with the Allen key is just simply insert it into the end of the carrier to obviously depress the pin and wind it up or down. Once adjusted, obviously the new setting is then locked into place and the Allen key is removed. So very briefly, we'll just run through the twin point locking system. So this is an optional extra, but predominantly it's designed to meet high demands for weather sealing, security and wind load. So yeah, this provides a concealed top and bottom bolts, so you can lock the doors from the inside, and this acts as a kind of easy alternative to flush bolts. So it's operated just with a simple turn, so just like that. So that's to open it, and that's just to lock it. So very, very simple and just very nice and seamless, kind of gives you that quality look, which is really cool. So yeah, just operated by a simple turn, which uses the top and bottom throw rods to engage it. So you've got the 2 points of locking, and then this obviously prevents the user from needing to bend down or stretch up to operate the flush bolts. The other thing to note as well, obviously the slim profile gearbox obviously makes it suitable for most style designs. And then this is also suitable for inward and outward opening bifolds. And obviously you've got the locking and non-locking versions as well. In terms of accessories, it's available in 2 finishes. So you've got your stainless steel and then your black finish. So it kind of matches into a lot of projects, whether it's a traditional house or whether it's more of a contemporary kind of look you're going for. So obviously with the twin point locking system, if you weren't going to go for that, obviously you've got your flush bolts, which will just sit there and obviously at the bottom as well. But yeah, just to operate, just to show you how simple it is to operate, it's a simple thing, then you can push the doors out. So it's just a bit of a nicer option for clients sometimes, but yeah, it's obviously entirely up to you and the end user, kind of what style they want to go for. And yeah, so if this is a system that you are obviously interested in maybe introducing to your clients, or you've used the system before, very simply, we do supply a brochure which we can send a hard copy of in the post, or we've got a PDF version, obviously we can just ping across to you on your email. And then in the brochure, it obviously gives you kind of the specification. And then right at the end, you've got the inquiry form. So again, this is available online, but very simply, if you are looking to place an inquiry, it kind of gives you a step-by-step process, which obviously enables us and our team to give you a quote as quickly as possible. So in regards to the email address to send that inquiry form to, you can send that to sales@coastal-group.com or give us a call on 01726 871 025 and we can take it from there. Many thanks.